To understand quantum mechanics, we have to first understand time. Time is the key. Because of this, I have come up with my own theory called quantum atom theory. In quantum atom theory, the wave-particle duality creates time itself. When a wave function collapses, it creates a moment of time. When a photon of light comes in contact with an electron of the surface of an atom, two-dimensional space on the surface of that atom expands into three-dimensional space-time. This will create a moment in time and a new quantum particle wave of future possibilities. In this way, atoms create their own time and space. Because light is electromagnetic radiation, this is a continuous process within our universe that Einstein called stimulated emission. In quantum atom theory, this process creates the arrow of time. Time only moves forward because the probability of the wave function only works one way. We always know the position and the momentum of a particle in the past. The best way to see this happen directly with light is the two-slit experiment. In the two-slit experiment, the photon will expand in all possible routes as a quantum particle wave of possibilities. When it reaches the screen with the two slits, it will react with the electrons of the screen and create a new moment in time as particles. The part of the wave that does not come in contact with the screen will expand in all possible routes going through both slits. Between the plate with the two slits and the screen, the photon will expand in all possible routes as waves of possibilities. When they reach the screen, they will create a new moment in time as particles, creating the interference pattern. When we try to determine which slit the photon passes through, the interference pattern collapses. This is because we create a new moment in time, a moment of now, in the eye of the observer, and from that moment on, the particle wave will never come through the other slit and recreate the interference pattern, because time is expanding at the same rate that light travels. This also explains why light is a constant, independent of the motion of the source. Just like in Newton's first law of motion, the interference pattern will continue to maintain its state unless acted upon by an external force. The only problem is the external force can only see one moment of infinity, the moment of now. There are no paradoxes in this theory. We have entanglement because photons move through space, but not time. The polarization of, or spin, of two photons will be set at the creation of the expanding particle wave. This will remain the same however great the distance between them becomes. There are no half-dead, half-live cats, and sadly no parallel universes, but we do have free will to create our own future, and the classical mechanics of Newton and quantum mechanics are united. You might think this theory is too simple, but I think it is also very beautiful. The great advantage of having a theory based on multiple spacetimes instead of multiple universes is that we can see these spacetimes all around us, in the structure of the atom, and in the motion of the galaxies. This theory can easily be proven right or wrong.